Hey there, and welcome to episode 2 of Witch's Kitchen, where I share my return to the kitchen, the first love of my life, kind of, sort of speaking. Anyway, so this week I'm doing a Parmesan chicken casserole, which I thought was a pretty cool take on an awesome original. It initially called for already cooked diced chicken. I did not have that, so it said that you could also just go ahead and cook your own chicken and season it to taste. So that's what I'm doing in this section right here. No, it's kind of funny. I actually think I meant to cut out some of these parts where I just covered the pan and let it simmer, but let's hang out instead. So anyway, when I decided to go ahead and make the chicken, I cut it up into a bunch of diced pieces. I had some big, huge, ginormous chicken breasts I bought from Sam's Club. Yay, Sam's. And then I seasoned it with Italian seasoning, seasoned salt. Seasoned salt's one of my favorite, and garlic powder, and then pepper to taste, of course. And so anyway, I went ahead and cooked it with those seasonings so they could, be nicely embedded in the chicken, and then it actually developed this kind of nice little sauce. And here I think I'm mixing up breadcrumbs. Yep, that's what I did, and I added some olive oil to it because the recipe said so. The chicken obviously finally got done. Woo! And now I'm loading it into the pan. And then I added some of the juices I was talking about there because the assistant harassed me until I did so. And then I dumped the marinara sauce in there. I'm pretty sure I used a little, I don't know if I doubled it, but it was close to that amount because my jar was really big and I kind of wasn't paying attention. So anyway, as you see, I'm not measuring these cheese with a cup because, as I've told you, I go completely rogue on cheese. I'm sure I at least doubled it because really what other way is there to live? That was mozzarella cheese, by the way, shredded mozzarella. The recipe also called for Parmesan cheese. I actually think that I added the designated amount. See, didn't go rogue there. And then I'm adding the breadcrumbs also as directed. Look at me being all reformed and stuff. We're gonna finish this up and get it in the oven now. So fresh out of the oven and onto my plate. This one was absolutely delicious, a gem. Even the sabotager loved it. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you next time.